So I did 6 hours of research today and my phone is still at 94%.
Meet the AIPI-Lite from X Origin. For less than $20, this tiny magnetic device brings ChatGPT level AI wherever you go.
And you're not stuck with some robot voice. I can clone my voice, your voice, or even celebrity voices, instantly turning everyday objects into AI assistants that actually talk back to you. Let me show you how cool this gets.
But first, let's see what we are working with. I've got 2 boxes here. So in box 1, we have the manual with some setup instructions. The AIPI-Lite device itself, super compact and clean. And in box 2, you have this little magnet backing that also serves as its batteries.
This magnet is key because you can literally stick this on your fridge, your laptop, your water bottle,
anything metal and make it talk. Cool, right? Here on the front, you've got the screen, power button and function control, a mic, status LED light and speakers. On the base, a USB-C charging port. Super straightforward.
Right out of the box, this thing came with 50% battery charge, so I could start using it immediately.
When fully charged, you get up to 2 hours of continuous use, which is plenty for a work session or extended research.
Oh, heads up, you need to grab batteries separately. Not included, but no biggie.
So here's what makes the AIPI-Lite absolutely insane. Voice cloning. Setup is super simple. You connect it to the AIPI website, record a short voice sample through their platform, and boom, the AI learns your voice. Now watch this. I already cloned my voice earlier, so let me show you what it sounds like.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Maybe today you feel stuck. But remember, progress isn't always about leaps. It's about watering the seeds of your goals, even when they haven't bloomed. Hey everyone, if you love tech reviews, tutorials, and all things gadgets, hit that subscribe button and join the Tech City Explorer family. Let's break this down together.
Bro, this is pretty cool, and I can stick this on literally anything and make it talk in my voice. Imagine putting this on your dog's collar.
And for some people, it could be about preserving loved ones' voices, family who's passed away or live far away. That's genuinely meaningful technology. A parent's voice, a grandparent's voice, giving you encouragement and advice. That's powerful, man.
It transcends beyond just gadgets. It's about keeping connections alive. But here's where it gets better. If you're into 3D printing or building with Legos, you can literally design custom mounts or enclosures for this thing. People are already creating wild setups, embedding it into custom builds and making it part of their projects. The creative possibilities with this are honestly endless. But it's not just voice cloning. You can create custom AI characters with actual personalities and memories tailored to you. AIPI gives you 35 voices to choose from, and you can program it with context about your life and work. Now, if you're not great at prompting AI, don't worry. AIPI-Lite has you covered with the Smart Agent Store. We're talking characters like Tony Stark, if you want that genius billionaire energy. Or maybe you need someone to vent to, just import the emotional trash can. Your very own understanding companion who's there to listen when you need to share your troubles. Each agent comes with its own personality already built in, so you don't have to figure out the perfect prompt. Just pick one that fits your mood or needs. If you want a study partner, a creative brainstormer, a supportive friend, they are all here. And AIPI keeps adding new personalities, so your options just keep growing.
I trained mine specifically for my tech world, gear I use, content I create, workflows I follow, and now all it does is talk tech with me.
I literally can't get it to discuss anything else. It's become my personal tech advisor, remembering every conversation we've had. See how it pulls from our previous conversations? That's an AI companion that actually evolves with your interests. Not generic responses, personalized intelligence that gets smarter the more you use it. You can stick this on your fridge and have it roast you every time you open it. It should help with your weight loss program. On a serious note, this is how you make learning effortless. You're literally growing smarter through conversation while living your life, and it's actually fun. No screens, no distractions, just natural knowledge building that actually sticks. It makes personal growth feel less like work and more like exploration. Honestly, I find myself asking better questions and returning more because it's conversational, not just reading off a screen. Here's my challenge to you. If you could have AI accessible anywhere in your space, no phone required, no unlocking screens, where would you put it? Your home office for deep work sessions? Your kitchen for hands-free cooking assistance? Your car dashboard for safer, smarter commutes? Your workshop or studio where your hands are always busy? Tap the link in the description to discover AIPI and see how voice-first AI can fit into your workflow and lifestyle. Also, drop your wildest ideas in the comments. I'm reading all of them. And if you grab one, tag me with hashtag voiceanything with AIPI. I want to see what you'll create. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech content like this. It is absolutely free. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again. Bye-bye.
Enough about Matt. What brings you to seek the wisdom of Gerald today? Are you in need of guidance? A tale from my travels? Or perhaps a bit of both? There we go. Tech Explorer. What shall we delve into?